Determine if x plus 5 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. To see if x plus 5 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial, but make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. This binomial is not written in this form, so we rewrite it as x minus negative 5, and we plug in this negative 5 into the polynomial. So we get p of negative 5 equals negative 5 cubed minus 2 times negative 5 squared minus 9 times negative 5 plus 18. Negative 5 cubed is negative 125. Negative 5 squared is 25 times negative 2 is minus 50. Negative 9 times negative 5 is positive 45 plus 18. Combining the negative terms, we get negative 175. Combining the positive terms, we get plus 63. The result is negative 112. The result is not 0, so this means that x plus 5 is not a factor of this polynomial.